welcome back to my channel. Today's another styling video. I'll be showing you how to style high-waisted mom short. If you're interested in any of the pieces that I'm wearing throughout this video, make sure to check out the description box down below. Alright, let's get into the look.
Bring out the shorts, it's summertime. Starting out with these wash black shorts from Urban Outfitters. It's a thick denim that feels stiff at first but forms to your body after a while. It's the perfect amount of coverage from behind. Since it's getting pretty hot in New York, I wore this DIY knotted crop top. No sew and it's super simple. To keep my eyes safe from all the rays, I wore these small sunnies from Sabo Skirt. For shoes, I got these slides from Canas. They're made by artisans who I love to support. For the second look, I'm bringing out a bathing suit. I'm obsessed with crochet anything, especially clothing. This one is from Mayo and has adjustable straps, plus a matching belt. Scallop neckline adds the perfect feminine touch. I ended up taking the belt and putting it on my shorts. Keeping this look black and white, I wore these heels from Lulu's. I love the square toe and the quilting detail. Sometimes when you're hot and sweaty, you don't want to do the most. This look is for you. This is by far the best t-shirt that I've ever owned. It's made out of 100% organic cotton and it feels so soft even after many washes. It's from Made the Label and I love the raw neckline and the vintage feel. It's breathable, so perfect for summer but also all year round. I wore it with the same shorts but accentuated my waist with a different belt. Whenever I go to thrift stores, I always check out their belts. I feel like people don't really go to that section, but there's treasure there, just like this one. Plus, it is so much cheaper than your regular retail store. For shoes, I wore these snake printed sandals from Target. Switch the black shorts for these light wash ones from Topshop. If you guys want to know my favorite high-waisted shorts, check out this card. I love wearing pastels when it gets warmer out, and this one reminds me of cotton candy. I actually dyed it myself last month and it was so much fun to do. It has double straps and faux bows in the front. Keeping the look casual, I wore my favorite white sneakers from Saludos. Finished the look with some light pink clips to match my top. These are from Amazon. For those chillier nights, I love mixing lingerie with knits. This oversized cardigan is from Sabo Skirt. It has 3 buttons in the front and voluminous sleeves. Under it, I wore a lace bralette from For Love and Lemons. It's beautiful and delicate. I'm also styling this outfit with my favorite summer hat. This one's from Target. And my shoes are from Lulu's. They're made out of cork with an acrylic heel. These heels will definitely make your legs look longer.
If you guys enjoy my styling videos, make sure to check out this playlist right up here. And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Bye!